Just sitting here, just reminiscing on all my niggas. Boogie, Justin, Blair, Mac Main, miss you. Smoke a lot of weed cause it's mad pain. My niggas just died. Lil Booby, Lil Justin, and Mac Main. Feel bad for the mothers who cried tears. Hayes got locked, so Warren got knocked and copped for 5 years. Just did a stretch and it hurt. Had my head in the dirt. I thank God, but expecting the worst. I separated from those niggas who funny, the niggas who always hustling, niggas who getting money. I always kept it real with those niggas who gully. Mook, Mark, A.B., Tom, and Scully. Fuck high school, I was getting this cash. Dropped out, so weed, it was getting me past. Niggas that I grew up with was living it fast. Either dead, locked up, or they was hitting the glass. Feel good to be gifted and blessed. That's why I sit at the nest and blow L's to get rid of the stress. I pour a shot for my niggas that's dead. Niggas that's stuck in the ground and been in the feds. Niggas that's tucking me pound and blicking the lead. Niggas that's hustling dough and getting this bread. I pour a shot for my niggas who died. All the fathers going through hell, the women that cry. For my niggas, all I do is sit and get high. Roll a L like the tip, blow the pit for the sky.